In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change an order on Temu. This process is essential for those moments when you've made a purchase but want to adjust the items in your order, whether it's due to a change of mind or simply an error made during the purchase. So let's dive right into it, step by step. First, you need to start by visiting the Temu website. You can do this from any browser on your device. Once you're on the home page, locate the Orders and Account option. This is typically found at the top of the page or in a menu that can be accessed from a menu icon, depending on the device you are using. Clicking on Orders and Account is your gateway to managing everything related to your purchase history. Once you click on Orders and Account, the next step is to select All Orders. By doing this, you will be directed to a page that displays all your recent transactions in chronological order. This organized view allows you to easily find the specific order you need to amend. Now, it's time to identify the particular order you wish to change. Scroll through your list of orders until you find the one you're looking for. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct order, especially if you've made multiple purchases in a short period. Each order entry generally contains detailed information such as the order date, total cost, and a brief listing of included items. Once you've found the order you're intending to change, click on it. This action will bring you to a detailed view of your selected order. Here you should be able to see all the items that are included in this order, as well as all relevant details. Now, any changes to the order must be executed carefully. It's important to review what changes you can immediately apply, though not all alterations might be feasible due to specific terms and conditions set by the platform or sellers, particularly if an order is already in the process of being shipped. If you find any difficulties or if something doesn't seem changeable, don't hesitate to reach out to Temu's customer service. They can provide additional support and help resolve any issues that might not be manageable directly through the website. It's crucial to act quickly as the window for changes may be limited by Temu's policies on order processing and shipping. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of changing an order on Temu. Remember, being familiar with these steps not only helps correct current orders, but also makes future shopping experiences on the platform much smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.